Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you my Lego vending machine number 3, and this time you have to pay, not like the others. It's not free, you must pay. So 10 cents equals one of those Lego soda. So when you insert the coin, push it, and then the back will kind of like comes out, and then you give it a pull, and then the soda comes out. And then where you get back your cash is you need this hole. It's a bit special. You have to insert the key in here, and then here's your 10 cents. And then you put it back like this. It's quite hard to put it back like this, and then lock it back. And yeah, and then where you refill the machine is you have to get this, our fellow giraffe, pull it out, and then here at this little hole, put it down here, and then you cover it back, and then you can, yeah. So it's quite simple. Let's move on to the mechanism. So it's quite simple. Let me show you the whole thing. Just wait a minute. Here. This is 2-part actually. Like, this is 2-part. This is separated with this. So, whoa, what's happening? So, wait. Sorry. So when you insert the coin here, insert the coin, and then this coin push this block here, push it, and it goes down there, and then there's a hole below that soda, and when you give it a pull, and it will go down this hole and slide out to here and get the soda. And it's quite easy for cash. You just because this pack can connect with this hole, put here, and the whole thing comes out, and then you get back the cash, and then you put it back. Whoops. And then you pull out the key. Yeah, it's very simple. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. Then I will upload tutorial video. Yeah, tutorial video to teach you how to make. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.